Okay. Now that it's ultra low latency, I should be fine to not have delay. Let's start with just some basic leetcode. I'm very bad at this type of stuff, so I guess we'll go. Should probably continue tree work, to be honest. So we'll do that. Sure. Gonna binary tree root at 10 below. Turn the music off. Okay. Return the level order traversal for each sublist. Okay. Sure. From left to right. Okay. So my first thought is just go through everything and then like just recursively append. Right? I don't know if that's the right thought though. Because so say we add the root and then we call our recursive function on the left and its right nodes. Like how would we know to group all of this together? Oh, it's just BFS. Okay. I forget how to do BFS. That's so embarrassing. Actually, okay. So obviously we're gonna have a def BFS. It's gonna like take in the root. We're gonna take in like a node. And hit the visited. But we don't know how the depth of it. So we kind of have to build that programmatically. Yeah. I guess for right now it's actually just gonna be true. Because then we make the queue. That queue is actually just gonna have our this. Well, queue. I guess we're probably gonna need a result. How does this work? So you pop the top one, and then I just need to read how to do this again. I completely forget how to do. I need to refresh on all of this stuff. It's been so long. Okay, so from what I'm reading, we need to import double-ended queue, which I do kind of remember. And then the visited is a set, and then a queue is a deck that is to be initialized with root. While there is a queue, we take the node, and that's hopping left. Node. But how do I get the neighbors of it? Guess it's just like how do you get the neighbors again? This is not good looks. I think it's just this. No. Oh. I need to go back to that tomorrow. Make sure that I understand, because it's like, it's not that hard. It's just like, check if there's not a root. Like, I just had a lot of help for this one. Like, make the deck for the queue. And then while there's a queue of things to go through, like, we keep track of our level based on, like, how much is in the queue is our current level, because you're always adding it to the queue at the end. Yeah, okay. I mean, it makes sense. Let's do another. Try this, I guess. We're given the root of a binary tree root, invert the binary tree and return its root. So just everything swaps. Okay. So I need to build another tree, pretty much. Wait. Sorry, I got a funny little email. But I used music in the last two, so now my thing is blocked. That's quite funny. Alright, no music anymore. That's hilarious, actually. Blocked in 2 territories. Okay, it's blocked in Russia. Alright. Sure. Sure. Why not? Alright, back to this. Do I really just build another thing? So I'm thinking I just do like a... I'm overcomplicating the shit out of this. Because there's a way to do the swap in order. Like if I BFS through this thing, do I know how to get the far right and far left? The left and right child of every node. Yeah, it is DFS. I knew it. Or no, I said BFS. I am wrong, actually. It's good practice for DFS at least. Okay. So do we do the swap first? Because if we swap their pointers, like if we make this nodes, say we make this nodes, or we start here. So then we swap it, and we do want their pointers to swap. So do I have this against self? use it anyway. Does this do it in place though? I don't think it does it. Okay, it does. What is case 3? Oh. What? How do I initialize an empty thing? If I hit it with a none. Bro. Alright, I'm just going to return root. Sure. Okay. I mean, very easy. I need to stop using these hints. But it is quite easy. I should submit it first, but yeah, cool. I should also be tracking this technically on leetcode if I have not been. Invert binary tree 226. Let's see if these diagrams are quite nice. Okay. Wait. A little mishap. Okay, it's fine. We're good. Right. Very cool runtime. Hee hee. What was the other one that I did? Binary tree level order traversal. Oh yeah. Binary tree level order. Okay, so this one is BFS. So actions. Write the deck. Just trying to remember. I mean, trying to like think through, make sure I understand what's happening. No, this is, our level should actually be out here, I think. Because this for loop is really our level. No, it's going to need a resulting variable. So while there is a queue, I think I just had those two swapped. Why can I not remember how this worked? Node equals q dot pop left. So we're popping that node off from the thing. And I think we add it to the queue. So we add it to the level. And if node dot left, I think we then append it to the queue, I want to say. Obviously do the same thing for the right. Then outside of here, we would res dot append the level. Then we would return the res. That's what I want to say. Collections.deck. Wait, what? Dude, it's range length. Oh my god, I haven't done Python in so long. I'm something special, that's for sure. Left is not defined. That's would make sense because it should be node. So many stupid mistakes. And we're only outputting null. Because I'm too, oh my god. I swear I typed return res. Oh, okay, so it's no devo. Good news is it's working. It's working. We're fine. So, super fun. And once it's done. What do I want to do? Do I do want to? I think I should do one more. Do one more. Do I want to make myself feel awful about myself? Why not? Okay. given a 2D grid, where 1 represents land and 0 represents water, count and return the number of islands an island is formed by connecting adjacent. Okay. So only horizontally or vertically. Okay. So you can have this like diagonal type of thing, and this is fine. It's like this is an island, this is an island, that's an island, and that's an island. Okay. So what would be my first thought? Is this gonna be some type of like BFS or BFS? But how? Like say we start in the top left. Like if we start in the top left, and then we say like let's add I guess like BFSing and then pretty much doing it like a level order traversal, where you're always only checking because we can keep track of visited, but how would we keep track of visited? As like an XY coordinate? Yeah, because we're going to need the XY coordinates anyway. Because this isn't like a tree node type of thing. And then you're just always checking the bottom and the right. Because, like, we'll double count, but we'll keep track of visited. But is that even the right way to go about this? Because, like, say I BFS through this, I would append these two to my thing. I'm just gonna look at the hint. I'm not good at these. Let's do DFS. I'm so bad at knowing when to DFS and BFS. Perform a DFS. Iterate through each cell. When we encounter a 1, we perform a DFS. like, what are you recursively DFSing? Like all directions? Don't know. I mean, I can try front run. Alright, this looks gonna be length of 1. Dude, I hate that. So if we want to go through, like if we want these, we should be able. Actually, that's fine. No, it should be gotta do bounce checks first. Can you even set a tuple? So you can. Don't forget how to access. This is not what I want. Can I just like index into it, like I'm doing? Or I guess what we're supposed to do is okay. Wait, this is so fucked up. I have my XY completely. Like if it's a 1, what are we BFSing through? We're DFSing through. Mm. So we will need to pass like a visited thing. Hmm. I'm just looking at the solution at this point. I was kind of on the right track, but kind of, but not really. already have the grid, we don't need this. In Python, can I do a visited up top? Like, do I need to pass this? I guess this is a question. This is just like, it's more in Python. Like, can I hit this? Oh, I need to call it safe. Okay, so I can. Of course I can, it's Python. You can do anything. Anything that you want. Okay. So I should just be able to do that. And I don't even need the grid. I just need the RC. Because we're also keeping track of visited outside. Actually, we're gonna need to initialize a whole nother, like, that should make a 2x2 false grid. Okay, I should just be able to hit one of these. So if it's safe, then we'll DFS the new stuff. Okay. So we're at the point now where we can do count and then just iterate through both of them. Where did I mess up? I have no clue where this is wrong, so I'm gonna ChatGPT it because I've been doing this for 49 minutes and I'm quite bad. I want to actually code. I'm an idiot. 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 I can't do diagonals. Ay. Forgot about that. Okay. So we can either go up a row, same column, down a row, same column, same row, same thing. Yeah, okay. I mean, it makes sense. Because, like, as you traverse, once you DFS, it'll, like, already mark them. So it'll just skip them and then have all the new groups. Okay. Time to actually work on the project. Okay. I think I was working on some database stuff. I'm trying to think. I'm also checking something really quickly. Or no, I just finished the testing. So the scraper does work with unit tests. Yeah. So I was in here, and I think I was looking at this bad boy, needing to create fields for all of this. for each of these structs to make them savable. Yeah. I also need to work on renaming these things because I hate the names. Okay, so I need to refresh my memory in the database stuff if like how to create this type of stuff. Because the crux of this is I want this to be saved. Okay, so let's take a look at our database stuff. Okay, yeah. So this is a similar type of thing that I have to do. I have to use a one-to-many. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this makes sense. So I guess what in our scenario, what we'll have is, I really should move these to another models thing. But I guess I'll do that later. I haven't been in this file in a long time. Probably have a lot of stuff to redo. Okay. So I guess we'll start off by so I mean, since we already have it defined in the models, we can kind of just do like a GORM location operation, which is just a struct of GORM.model and then our models that location operation. See, but the only problem with this is then we have to specify what we're gonna end up giving this, like our database, is going to be an array of these things. So is the way that we did it, is it that I would just take in thing and then batch convert them? So I would just create. So you'd first JSONify the favorites. That's just like not what this is saying to do. Why did I JSONify them if I can just create them innately? I'm trying to remember. Why? Of course I have no documentation for what I did because it's me. But why did I... Like if according to this that I can just... I would have just been able to have an array of strings or an array of all data item. I'm gonna have to do some testing on this. This is gonna be actually much larger than I thought. I don't think I have time for it today because I'm already hitting an hour. I'll think more about this and then get back to it tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end here.